I don't know.
No. I still like it. Hi guys, it's me, Minna here, as you can see on my shirt.
And Ahmed is back. You could also see on my shirt. Today we're gonna be making pancakes.
We have a pancake mix. As you can see in our previous video, we're gonna be making pancakes. All we need is pancake mix, any type of syrup you want, plates, cinnamon, of course, I want cinnamon on my pancake, water,
blueberries,
and strawberries, whipping cream,
and chocolate syrup. The best part of this mixture is we don't have to add anything. Only need to add water. So let's start baking the pancake.
Okay, first I'm gonna add the mixture. Only need a little.
I don't know if that's the first step.
Okay, that's 4.
Wait. I don't know how to bake pancakes.
It's okay. Just leave it. Even I don't know. Our mom will tell us. Our mom will help us. We just need to make a mixture and our mama will do next. Let me continue pouring it. I think we need all of it.
Yeah. So how is it gonna make the bowl full? Okay, it's already full. Okay. So what do we have to do next?
I think we need to add the water.
Yeah. I have the water. Here you go.
No, you added this.
Okay. I don't know how to add water.
Slowly.
Ooh. Oopsie.
Well, now Ahmed has added this water. Now we have to keep mixing until all the lumps are gone.
Do you know what type of mixture we need? Thin or thick?
No, not thin or thick. We just need normal. Okay,
Normal?
now let me just spin it until all the lumps are gone.
Yeah.
This might take a few moments.
So let's zoom it on.
Oh, it's so satisfying.
Hey, wait, you were mixing the full time. Can I mix?
Okay.
Look, Minal, all the lumps are gone.
Oh yes, now we have to move to the second step. I love cinnamon, so I'm gonna add some cinnamon. You guys don't need to add the cinnamon, you can skip it, but I like cinnamon, so I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon.
1/4.
Yeah, 1/4.
That's too much.
Cinnamon.
Now can I mix again, please?
Okay. Now guys, this step is finished and the second step is cooking. So we're not gonna cook, we're gonna use a doll to help us. So we'll not burn our hands or burn anything of our part. But if you know cooking, then you can do it.
And we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
Our mom finished baking our pancakes and they look so delicious.
They're so delicious. I don't want to eat them.
Nope. First we have to decorate them.
Okay.
Let me pick
Hey, first can I pick it up?
No.
Okay, ladies first.
Okay, let me pick mine. Your turn.
Yeah. I don't know how to pick it up. How
Let
do
me
I
hold the
take
plate.
this?
Okay, now your turn.
Hi, pancake.
And now we're gonna get our whipping cream ready.
I don't have whipping cream.
Well, you can use this one first. Since I got the pancakes, I'm gonna get this bunch. And so I'm gonna make a happy face design. So this is the base of the happy face. Ooh, looks delicious. Spread it all over.
Minal, I'm just about to finish.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for you.
Okay, I'm finished.
I could use.
Now we have to use the fresh blueberries.
Okay,
I'm gonna use these to make the eyes and the nose. Now let's take more fresh blueberries. Yum, I love them.
Now I'm gonna take one more. I want it for the nose.
Even me.
It looks like a mouse. And I'm gonna have this big one. Some strawberries for the ears.
For the ears.
I'm gonna take this one big one.
There's gonna be a small little puppy.
Okay, I'm gonna take the strawberry syrup for the melt. Yeah, the melt.
And I want the chocolate syrup. I don't know.
I still like it. I went this overboard. Oh, I'm gonna try to fix my smiling face with a spoon.
Oh, I'm gonna add my smiley face. Let's hope I can do it correct. It's not even working well. It's not even coming out. Nice try, syrup. Yay! He has an awesome laugh.
Look at that and mine. Let me fix the
I
side.
think red was better instead of.
And we're done with the decorating. And it looks so delicious.
It's so yummy. I can't wait to eat.
It looks yummy.
Mine has a fat smiley face.
Mine has a weird smiley face. My ears are popping out.
And mine are inside like a real puppy.
And the fun time begins. Eating! I have my spoon and fork set ready. Let me open it.
I don't know. Okay. I have the color red and yellow.
I have the color blue and
Green.
Okay.
First, let's
Blue
start.
spoon and green fork. We got this from Lulu.
Yeah. Same shop.
Okay, now let me cut my piece.
Let's cut. Cut. And the last cut. Let's take the pancake. Very yummy. Let's eat the strawberry puff.
It's really good.
How does the strawberry feel like?
You guys have to make this. This is too good. Oops, I almost fell on my plate. Guys, it was so yummy.
It was not yummy, it was super duper yummy.
Yeah, it was. You guys should actually check it out. Well,
But with a grown-up.
Make it.
Yeah.
Ask a grown-up to help you.
Yeah.
It's really delicious.
Yeah,
You
it's
guys-
really delicious.
And be careful of your mouth. Don't make it like mine. If you're making a mouse, don't make it like mine.
Yeah. A mouse should have a mouse should have a curved face.
Yeah, not a face. And see you later. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
We're gonna end the video here.
Bye.